Welcome to Arabic Dictionary, your online guide to Arabic slang. A foreigner is no longer foreign when you understand their language. Show us in the comments below how you can use today's word in your own sentence for a chance to win a free cool Arabic Dictionary t-shirt. Today's word is Bokra. Buk-Rah. Bokra is an Arabic word for tomorrow or the day after today. It can also mean early or morning. I can't wait. Sandra finally returns home. Bokra.
Someone's getting some bootay.
Bokra. Please like, subscribe, and share. Tell us in the comments if there are words you'd like us to feature next. Want to have a cool t-shirt with today's word and help a refugee? Today's word is available on t-shirts, mugs, and other cool products, and part of the proceeds will be donated to refugee assistance charities. Check out the links in our bio or in the description below.